Stop. If you're struggling to get traffic, leads or visibility online, and you're thinking about buying ReddifyAI, you need to watch this first. Because this tool claims it can tap into one of the most powerful traffic sources on the internet, automatically. But here's the truth, is it a real traffic breakthrough? Or just another overhyped AI software? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what ReddifyAI does, how it works, what's inside and whether it's actually worth your money. And I'll also give you 2 exclusive bonuses if you decide to get it. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're into AI tools, online business, affiliate marketing, SaaS platforms and traffic generation, then this review could be extremely important for you. Today we're looking at ReddifyAI, a brand new AI software designed to help users generate attention, engagement and traffic automatically. Let's break it down. What is ReddifyAI? ReddifyAI is a cloud-based SaaS platform that uses artificial intelligence to help users create content, engage audiences and attract targeted attention from online communities. Instead of spending hours writing posts, researching topics, trying to go viral or manually engaging people, this AI tool helps you automate that process in minutes. It's designed for beginners, marketers, freelancers, SaaS users, content creators, affiliate marketers, and it works entirely online, no installation needed. Key benefits. Here's why tools like ReddifyAI are getting so much attention right now. Saves time. AI creates content, ideas and engagement strategies in seconds. Beginner-friendly, no tech skills required. Everything is step-by-step. Traffic potential helps you get visibility where people are already active. Automation reduces manual work and repetitive tasks. Multiple use cases. You can use it for marketing, SaaS promotion, affiliate campaigns, content growth and brand awareness. This is why many people are excited about AI-driven platforms. What's inside ReddifyAI? Inside ReddifyAI, you'll typically find tools focused on AI content generation, audience targeting ideas, engagement strategies, automated posting assistance and content optimization suggestions. The goal is simple. Help you create content faster. Help you get noticed faster. Help you grow faster. All from one dashboard. Everything is designed to be simple, clean and beginner-friendly. Now let's be realistic. No software on earth guarantees instant success. But tools like ReddifyAI can help you save hours of work, stay consistent, get ideas faster, improve productivity. And over 30 days of consistent use, many users report better workflow, faster content output and improved engagement. Again, results depend on how you use the tool. One thing I like, ReddifyAI comes with a 30-day full money-back guarantee. So if you try it and decide it's not for you, you're protected. That reduces the risk significantly. If you grab ReddifyAI through my link below, I'll give you 2 exclusive bonuses designed to help you get results faster. Bonus 1. AI Traffic Growth Playbook, value $97, free. Inside this guide, you'll learn how to use AI for daily traffic ideas, content angles that attract attention and simple growth routines anyone can follow. Perfect for beginners. Bonus 2 to 30-day content automation planner, value $67, free. This planner helps you stay consistent, plan content faster, use AI tools strategically, build daily momentum. This makes using ReddifyAI much easier. So, is ReddifyAI worth it? If you want a beginner-friendly AI SaaS tool, faster content creation, more consistency and automation support, then yes, it's definitely worth checking out. And with the 30-day guarantee plus my bonuses, the risk is very low. Click the link in the description. Check out Reddify AI, unlock the 2 bonuses instantly and see if it fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.